Need to save every worksheet in your Excel workbook as an individual PDF file? Whether you're sharing monthly reports, department summaries, invoices, or project documents, splitting each sheet into a separate PDF can save a lot of time. In this video, we'll show you two methods, using Excel's built-in features and using Kutools for Excel. Method 1. Split sheets into separate PDFs with Excel. Excel doesn't provide a one-click feature to export every worksheet as an individual PDF. Instead, you'll need to save each sheet manually. Activate the worksheet you want to export. Go to the File tab. Click Save As. Select a destination folder. Name the file. Select PDF from the drop-down list. Click Save. The active sheet has been saved as PDF. Repeat these steps for every worksheet in the workbook. Limitations: you must process each sheet one by one, large workbooks can take a significant amount of time, naming and organizing multiple PDF files manually can be tedious, not suitable for frequent reporting tasks. Method 2. Split each worksheet into a separate PDF with Kutools for Excel. If you regularly need to export multiple worksheets, Kutools for Excel provides a much faster solution. Step 1. Download and install Kutools for Excel. Go to Kutools Plus. Select Split Workbook. Choose the sheets you want to export. Choose PDF from the drop-down list. Click Split. Select a destination folder. Kutools automatically creates a separate PDF file for each worksheet. Backhand index pointing right. Download Kutools for Excel today and enjoy a 30-day free trial with access to over 300 powerful Excel tools designed to boost your productivity.